Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python fast. First, set up your development environment. Install Python, ideally version 3.8 or newer, and choose a good code editor like Visual Studio Code. Familiarize yourself with basic syntax, variables, and data types, such as integers and strings. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to writing small scripts to build muscle memory and reinforce new concepts. Next, dive into Python's core concepts. Grasping control flow, including if-else statements and various loops, is crucial for program logic. Functions are vital for organizing code into reusable blocks, improving readability and efficiency. Spend time understanding data structures like lists, which are ordered collections, and dictionaries, which store key-value pairs. Practice these concepts with small, focused exercises. To accelerate your learning, engage in hands-on projects. Start with simple tasks like a calculator or a to-do list application. These projects solidify your understanding and expose you to common programming patterns. Additionally, tackle coding challenges on platforms such as LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain collaborative experience and learn from others. Finally, expand your Python expertise by exploring advanced topics. Delve into powerful libraries such as NumPy for numerical operations and Pandas for data manipulation. Learn object-oriented programming concepts like classes and inheritance to write more structured and scalable code. Always leverage Python's extensive official documentation and active online communities like Stack Overflow for continuous learning and support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.